Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best alternating pressure mattresses. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Alternating Pressure Mattress by Vive. Top of our listing is that this alternating stress bed whose specific features include a durable water-resistant pad, an extremely quiet alternating pump, and a smooth to study installation guide. The alternating inflation and deflation ensure that at any given time, half of the 8 cells are inflated, and the opposite half is deflated. You will need a strength enter of AC 110V 60Hz 10W for the bed to function or the converter to step down any voltage better than that. If your affected person is a aspect sleeper or a back sleeper, this bed will work well for him/her. The product seems more steeply priced than it sincerely is. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vive Medical Mattress Replacement System with Alternating Pressure. This bed operates in each alternating and static pressure modes, being manufactured from nylon and PVC cloth. This product guarantees you of sturdiness, durability, and comfort. The comfort is stronger by using 20 air bladders, 9 of which have laser holes that make sure a regular and effective low air loss. The cowl comes with a zipper and being nylon, and it is easy to wipe smooth. About the pump, this bed has one in every of its type. It has a pumping price of 8 liters per minute, a cycle of 10 minutes, measures 11 through 8.1 by way of 3/9 inches. And has a visual audible alarm that cautions you when strain drops beneath 10 mmHg. At number 3, we have the Vive Medical Alternating Pressure Pump and Pad System. With a weightability of 300 pounds, a pinnacle of dimensions 123 by using 36 inches, and a thickness of 25 inches. This mattress is ideal for use via massive-bodied adults who are bedridden because of again or neck problems. Its pump works on a 5-minute cycle at 4 liters per minute. It is simple to install and can produce a variable strain for an added consolation. The pump operates with a quiet Aire, the usage of a 240V strength supply, so your patient isn't disturbed by way of noise at some point of his/her sleep. With a few long end flaps, you'll without problems mount this mattress on an ordinary mattress, and, if you desire to create a health facility mattress revel in at domestic, you will should increase each the regular mattress and the alternating strain mattress at an attitude of between 40 and 60 stages. At number 2, we have the Vive Medical Med-Air Low Air Loss Mattress Replacement System. With this alternating stress bed, you will be able to control and prevent pressure ulcers and bed sores by the usage of the pump to both trade the pressure inside the cells or to decrease the air loss inside the cells. The mattress comes with a digital pump. This is customizable, has a pumping price of 8 liters in step with minute. Has a visual and audible diagnostic alarm. This is mechanically activated upon the stress falling beneath 10 mmHg, and whose stress mode may be set at both static or alternating. Still, on the pump, it has a power rating of 110 VAC and a frequency putting of 60 Hz. For this reason an adapter is wanted for better results. It comes with an setup guide so you could have an easy time placing it up. And finally at number 1, we have the Alternating Pressure Mattress 8 by Vive. Say goodbye to bed sores, strain spots, and strain ulcers for either you or your motionless cherished ones with this alternating stress mattress whose alternating inflation and deflation is regulated via a customizable strain pump. When attached to the foot of a patient's bed, the pump makes an incredibly tender sound with a purpose to no longer disturb his/her sleep. The bed 3 air cells are included with a waterproof vinyl cover with a zipper, and that completely modify mattress temperature to make certain that the patient doesn't overheat. It's miles waterproof and breathable. As for cleaning, you just wipe the quilt with a wet fabric or with a few cleaning soap, and inside a minute or it is prepared to be used. If you don't want the air pressure to trade in the cells, you can place the mattress in the static mode and the stress becomes uniform throughout the cells. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this alternating pressure mattresses, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.